Discipline is power. You've probably heard this before, but have you ever truly reflected on what it means? We live in a world that constantly pulls us in different directions, distractions, desires, demands. And in this chaos, we often forget the one thing that can truly unlock our potential: discipline. Many years ago, I met a monk who taught me the true meaning of discipline. He lived simply, with nothing more than a small robe, a handful of belongings, and a deep sense of peace. One day I asked him, "How do you find peace in such simplicity?" His answer was simple, but it resonated deeply. True peace comes from mastering yourself. Discipline is the key to that mastery. Discipline isn't about rigid control. It's not about being harsh with yourself. No. Discipline is the art of choosing what matters most and committing to it, day after day, moment by moment. It's the power to resist distractions, to stay focused on your goals, and to grow despite the obstacles in your way. When we discipline our minds, we align ourselves with purpose. Take a moment right now to reflect. What is it you truly want in life? What are you dedicating your time and energy to? It's easy to fall into the trap of short-term pleasure, of chasing fleeting desires. But true growth, true fulfillment, comes from the consistent pursuit of what's meaningful. The monk taught me that the path to discipline begins with self-awareness. You must first recognize where your energy is going. Are you investing it in things that build your future? Or are you scattering it, allowing distractions to pull you in countless directions? Every moment you waste is a moment you'll never get back. But the beauty of discipline is that it allows you to take control of your time. It gives you the power to direct your energy towards what matters. Discipline is not just a skill, it's a mindset. It's about deciding every day to be the best version of yourself, even when the world tries to pull you in a million different directions. It's about setting small daily habits that compound over time. A monk does not meditate for 1 hour and expect enlightenment. He meditates every day in silence, letting the small moments build his connection to the divine. You too can cultivate this power in your life, one disciplined action at a time. Discipline isn't something that comes overnight. It's built with patience, with self-compassion, and with a commitment to being better than you were yesterday. The power of discipline is that it transforms you from the inside out. It turns small, consistent efforts into massive, life-changing results. And through it, you find not just success, but peace. A peace that comes from knowing you are the master of your own path. So, I invite you to begin today. Reflect on your habits, your choices, your time. What will you commit to today? What small action can you take that will lead you towards your greater purpose? Remember, discipline is not a burden. It's a gift that allows you to unlock the power within you and live the life you are meant to live.